Meteorologist Adam Solarzik here with a look at your Saturday morning forecast. Seeing some breaks in the rain chances through the first half of the day today. As we get into the midday hours, we do see an isolated shower chance. A spotty shower can't be completely ruled out during the mid-morning hours, but you see those chances very isolated, very scattered, not nearly as organized as what we were seeing for our Friday night into our Saturday morning, but still that chance will be there through the 4 or 5 o'clock hour. But as we get closer towards about 10 o'clock, that's where we start to see those rain chances that come to an end across the area just in time for the Three Rivers Festival fireworks, and we'll see mostly cloudy conditions and those rain chances dissipating for a mostly sunny start to our Sunday and remaining dry throughout Sunday into our Monday and for much of the upcoming week. And you see that
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Indiana State Emergency Management Agency. An extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation has commenced in the city of Fort Wayne. Immediate evacuation of Fort Wayne and surrounding Whitley County, including Columbia City, is mandatory. Two gigantic equine-like creatures, confirmed to be husband and wife, are stomping on residents and destroying property all over Fort Wayne. Their appearance is as follows. The first one is a 1,300-foot-tall alicorn with heliotrope, or creamy pink, fur, hair and tail, which features two primary colors of pink and violet, with pale gold highlights, and has light purple eyes. She is observed to be wearing a short-sleeve, loose-fitting violet t-shirt with the symbol of a crystal heart on it, as well as aquamarine shorts and gold shoe-like objects covering her pair of hooves. Her husband is a 1,500-foot-tall unicorn with white fur, hair, and tail in two moderate to darker shades of blue, with moderate cerulean eyes and bare hooves in a moderate to dark blue color range. He is observed wearing an open-face style battle helmet of alien design with gold and purple colors on it, as well as a plain blue t-shirt and purple shorts. Both of these creatures are extremely aggressive to all humans in their viewpoints and are also very well versed in magic, showing expert precision with their beams, which are emitted from their horns. While the Indiana State Emergency Management Agency recognizes the risks posed by evacuating, officials on every level involved in this matter agree that it is better than telling residents to shelter in place. If you hear a siren, you are in the affected area and need to evacuate now. Failure to do so will mean absolute sadistic death from these sentient creatures. To repeat, a mandatory evacuation order is now in effect for Fort Wayne and Whitley County due to hostile aliens. Evacuate now.